Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend break-even income calculation for $5,000 monthly income. To begin with, the goal is to find the portfolio size needed to earn $5,000 per month from dividends. This is called a break-even income calculation because the dividend income is expected to exactly cover the target monthly income. In simple words, the portfolio is designed to generate enough dividend income so that you neither fall short nor need extra income to meet this specific goal. First, set the monthly income goal. In this example, the target is $5,000 per month from dividends. Since dividend income is usually calculated yearly, we multiply $5,000 by 12 months. As a result, the annual dividend income goal becomes $60,000 per year. Next, understand the formula used in the calculation. The required portfolio equals annual income goal divided by dividend yield. This formula helps estimate how much money may need to be invested in dividend-paying assets to generate the desired income. So, once you know the annual income goal and the expected dividend yield, you can calculate the approximate portfolio value needed. After that, calculate the required portfolio at different dividend yields. If the dividend yield is 3%, then $60,000 divided by 0.03 equals $2 million. If the yield is 4%, then $60,000 divided by 0.04 equals $1,500,000. If the yield is 5%, then the required portfolio becomes $1,200,000. And if the yield is 6%, the required portfolio becomes $1 million. Now, let's look at the example calculation using a 4% dividend yield. The annual income goal is $60,000. The dividend yield is 4%, or 0.04. So, $60,000 divided by 0.04 equals $1,500,000. This means that, at a 4% dividend yield, a portfolio of about $1,500,000 may generate around $5,000 per month, or $60,000 per year. Furthermore, the quick check confirms the same result. At a 4% yield, a $1,500,000 portfolio should generate about $60,000 annually. When that annual income is divided by 12 months, it equals approximately $5,000 per month. However, it is important to remember that dividend yield has a major effect on the portfolio size needed. A higher yield means a lower required portfolio, while a lower yield means a higher required portfolio. For example, a 6% yield may require $1 million, while a 3% yield may require $2 million. Even so, investors should be careful with very high yields, because higher yields can sometimes come with higher risk or unstable payouts. Therefore, the key takeaway is that to earn $5,000 per month from dividends, you may need a portfolio between $1 million and $2 million, depending on the dividend yield. At a 4% yield, the estimated break-even portfolio is about $1,500,000. In addition, reaching this goal may require consistent investing, dividend reinvestment, patience, and regular portfolio review. Focusing on quality dividend-paying companies may also help support long-term income stability and portfolio growth. Finally, remember the formula recap. Annual income goal equals monthly income multiplied by 12. Then, required portfolio equals annual income goal divided by dividend yield. In this example, $5,000 per month equals $60,000 per year, and at a 4% yield, the required portfolio is around $1,500,000. This is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Dividend yields, stock prices, taxes, and investment returns may vary. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.